Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Vue.js and its cool features like Vue CLI and Vue UI. So all you need to install is Node.js, and then you can use npm to install CLI or yarn. So I have already installed Vue CLI. So I'm going to start up my UI user interface. From where we can create our project, we can manage our project. As you can see, this is a dashboard where we can set up our new project. So I'm going to create a new project. So you can see here it says create a project. So you can give a project name. I'm going to give it a demo, and I'm going to use yarn for installation. And it asks a couple of things. You can initialize your git repository. I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to set default as Babel as ESLint, and then I'm going to create it. So it's going to create a project for me. As you can see in the CLI, it is initializing your repository, and it's going to create a project for you. So in my project directory, you can see the name demo here and the package.json. I'm going to open up command line, and I'm going to open Visual Studio Code. Now you can see the package.json. It's going to install all the dependencies here, which is currently installing here. It's going to take some time. Meanwhile, you can get the extensions for Vue.js. I've already used. You can use all this extensions, so it'll be giving you pretty good gist of it. Okay, so I'm going to pause my video unless the whole dependency is getting initialized. It's going to take some time. As you can see, the project has been created here. So it says you welcome, and then you can see your folder structure. This is your folder structure. It will create all the components, and it's gonna this is your basic structure. Now let's go to the dashboard. Let's see what we can do here. uh, Here are the plugins. You can see it is giving a recommendation to install router and vux. So router, I'm going to install it. As you can see here, it is getting your router installed. So once your router is installed, you can see in your 1 minute. All right, so we are going to add vux. Okay, so yeah, I'm sorry, it was stuck. So vux, it's getting installed, and you can see here now your router is added, and you can see it has created components for you. There are like components like view world, hello world, and you can see your views here. There are like two screens, like home and about, and it has created a very nice routing for you. As we have installed Vuex, it has created a store for you here, so you can share the data within the components. So you can install as much, like whatever the plugins you need, and you can see what are the dependencies here. So you can see your view, your router, your Vx, and these are the development dependencies. Okay, I want to talk about this one quickly. These are the options where you get. So this is serve, which will open up a server for you for development. I'm going to click this. I'm going to run my server. So you can do the same using ngcli, CLI. So you can see this, the app is ready. and you can see all the parameters, everything here. So now I mean, you can see it says open app once you click here. So this is your app. It's running here with the routers. So as we had created routers, so now I'll show you how to build it. So right now you can see we don't have any test folder. This will create your distribution. Once you start running, it will create a distribution. You can see your loading here. It's loading here, and it's gonna build. Okay, so it's done. So you can see the distribution folder. It's created here, and you can deploy it using Nginx or whatever Apache, whatever the server is needed. So yeah, this is one of the best thing I ever seen. It is so interactive. You can create your projects, you can manage your project, you can add your dependencies, and it's awesome. The code is very simple, and it's always hot loaded. Like if you want to remove all these things, and once you save it, sorry, I think I've removed something. I don't know, the build got failed. So you can see this. I removed the ecosystem, and it's a hot reload. Okay, so this is it. Please do let me know what do you feel about Vue UI, and please share me your comments. Thank you.